Hey guys, Cece back with another video. In today's video, we are going to try a gang of brand new drugstore makeup. So if this is your first time watching me, if it's your first time watching my channel, click that subscribe button, click the little notification bell, all that good stuff. Make sure you're subscribed to my family vlog channel if you want to see me in a different capacity behind the scenes. And let's go ahead and jump in. So if you guys have watched my recent haul, then you would have seen that I did just buy a bunch of new drugstore makeup, and I wanted to share that with you guys. This is part of my 2020 commitment to y'all, is to do more drugstore related makeup videos. So we have three things from Essence. We have the Bonjour Montreal eyeshadow palette. I have their Sun Club matte bronzing powder palette, and I also have their Pure Nude Sunlighter palette that we're going to use today. Dropping stuff. I have the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Creaseless Concealer. We have the Revlon Prime Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing Primer. And then I also have the Makeup Revolution, this is the Conceal and Define Satin Matte Powder Foundation. So we're going to use all that stuff today, and let's get into it. So first things first, I'm going to prime my eyes using the Maybelline Master Prime Long Lasting Eyeshadow Base. I have not used this primer in a while, and I really do love it. Like I said, we're going to use the Essence. This is the Bonjour Montreal eyeshadow palette, and I think this was new. I saw this at Ulta like a week ago, and I was like, yes honey, I love the earthy tones in this palette, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Have I used Essence eyeshadows before? I don't know. And I love Essence face products, so I'm not sure if I used their eyeshadows before, but we're gonna try them today, honey. So I'm going to take, what do I want? I'm gonna do a little deeper look. So I'm gonna take this brown right here, and I'm gonna add this into my crease, and it's gonna act as my transition shade. I'm gonna take it really lightly because I don't know what the pigmentation on this will be. I'm actually going to do a super simple look today, you guys. I'm going to take this green shade right here, and I'm going to add that to the lid, and I'm going to use one of my favorite lid brushes. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. I've been using this brush for years, y'all, like year. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, Essence. Just packing the color on the lid. I was excited to use this green color too, so I'm just gonna pack it up on the lid. I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna take this golden shade here, and I'm gonna add that to the beginning part of my lid. Just to add a little more depth to the look, I'm going to take this deep brown shade over here, and I'm going to add that to my outer V area. This is a really good eyeshadow palette, actually. These colors blend out so well. I'm gonna quickly highlight underneath the brow bone with this shade. It's like a bone white matte shade. Oh, you know what? I lied. I'm gonna use this shade right here. This one has a little sparkle to it. I'm gonna highlight the brow bone with that really lightly. I don't always highlight the brow bone anymore, but I felt like this look just kind of needed it. So I'm going to throw on a pair of my favorite lashes, one of my favorite lashes. These are the Ding Sen Fashion Lashes from eBay. I try to link them when I can find them. I feel like sometimes I can find them and sometimes I can't. But I got these years ago and these are the style A20. I'm going to go ahead and pop those on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, let's get started on the face. I'm really excited about some of these products that I have sitting in front of me. First product we're going to use is the Revlon Photo Ready Prime Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing Makeup Plus Skincare Primer. This is supposed to, what is it? Complex infused with artichoke extract, salicylic acid, and AHA. So I'm really excited about this primer. Anything that says mattifying and pore reducing, I am all about, because that's what your girl needs at all times during all seasons. That's what I need. So let's see. Oh, it looks like just like a white, almost lotiony primer. Feels good on the skin. Feels good on the skin. Definitely at first glance does have like that pore reducing effect. I can tell all up and through here. Y'all know I get, my pores are larger like right here on my cheeks, and so I can definitely tell in that area that it does have that like pore reducing, pore shrinking effect. So I do like that. This wig will not let me be great, y'all. Next, I'm going to take a foundation. This is the foundation that I've already used. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. So I'm just going to apply that real quick and come back with the concealer. So now it's time to move into the concealer. I'm really excited to try this concealer. This is a brand new one on the market from Makeup Revolution. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Long Wear Crease Proof with niacinamide Infinite Coverage Concealer. That's what this is, and this makes a lot of claims, baby. So we're going to be trying this out over the next few weeks to see just how well it works. So I'm just gonna conceal like I normally would. Has one of the really big large doe foot applicators, which I like, and I'm in the shade C10. That's the shade I got to highlight underneath the eyes. I can only imagine that this concealer has to be kind of drying, so I'm a little nervous. I just feel like, yeah, it has to be kind of drying in order to claim that it's going to stay on for 16 hours. Doesn't look dry yet though. It actually looks really good under the eyes, and my under eye looks really, really smooth. I'm not getting dryness from it. Yeah, I'm not getting dryness from it. So let's keep going and we'll see. I'm going to set that just using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Setting Powder in the shade Kalahari. Next, let's move on to the next Makeup Revolution product, the Revolution London Conceal and Define Satin Matte Powder Foundation. This one's in the shade P12, and I'm actually 12.5 in the foundation, so I thought this would be a really, really good match for me. That's how it looks. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it to the face. so now we get to move into our next new product, and that is the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. Now when I saw this, I've never seen this in Ulta before. I went a week ago and I was like, okay, this goes kind of deep. Like for a drugstore brand, you know, it goes pretty deep. This palette was 10 bucks for 4 shades. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And we're gonna try mixing these 2 deeper shades, and I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm going to bronze my face. Okay, that's blending out pretty well. What do you guys think? That blended pretty well. And it's pretty pigmented. I look like nice and sun-kissed and glowy on this side. I really do. Okay, so I just added blush. I went in and added the Rimmel Maxi powder blush in the shade Wild Card. So I added that on my cheeks, and now we're gonna go into the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter palette. And you guys know that I am in love with their highlighters. They have some of the most amazing highlighters, and they're like under $5. It's crazy. So I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm going to add that to my high points. Look at that. And this palette was also $9.99. Oh, look at that. That is so bright. That's actually brighter than the one that I have. Last but not least, I'm going to just quickly add on this lip color. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer lip color in the shade Unreal. And I've talked to you guys about these before. I love these lip colors. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. You guys will have to let me know what you think about it down below. I actually think this look turned out really bomb and for really cheap. So let me just run down some of the products real quick. I actually don't think there was one bad product in the bunch. I don't think there was one. So I absolutely love these palettes here. These Essence bronzing and highlighting palettes. These are an amazing value for $10 for 4 shades. I would definitely encourage you to pick these up at Ulta. Of course, you can always use coupons and all that stuff. I would definitely encourage these palettes right here. Same thing with the eyeshadow palette. I'm pretty obsessed with this green color and this look that we came up with. So they had different types. They had like a warm one, a cooler one, and I decided to go with the earthy tones, but I would definitely try this as well. The shades were super pigmented. They blended. There was a little fallout, but that's nothing that I really concern myself with. I think for the money, you are definitely getting a great buy. So clearly I haven't had the makeup on for hours and hours, so I can't say much about this primer, but what I can say is that it felt really good on the skin. It didn't have that silicone feel, which I don't like. It had like a light lotiony texture, and I did notice how it filled in my pores, and I mean my makeup looks really good right now upon initial application. So I can say that. Obviously I can't say much else about it, but I will be testing this throughout the next few weeks. So if you guys have any questions about it or anything, I'll probably update you on my Instagram. So just make sure you're following me over there. And I kind of echo the same sentiments with the concealer. First of all, my under eye looks completely flawless. I was expecting a dry consistency just because a lot of times when companies claim that a concealer is going to be super long wearing and super full coverage, it's just dry because that's how it dries down on your skin so it doesn't move. This one does not give me complete dryness. Like, my under eye looks so smooth and so good. I am a fan. I've been trying to find something wrong. Sorry you guys, I messed up the lighting. I've been trying to find something wrong with this concealer since I put it on, and I cannot. It looks amazing. And I was a little afraid to try this, I'm not gonna lie, but again, I'll keep using it throughout obviously the next few weeks and months and all of that. So if you guys want an update, you know where to go. Head over to Instagram. And last but not least was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Satin Matte Powder Foundation. This is another one that I don't have any problems with. It really pulls my makeup together well. I didn't use it obviously as a powder foundation, but when you use it with like a fluffier brush like this, you get the slightest bit of coverage, but it just pulls together your makeup look almost like a finishing powder versus a foundation, which is what I wanted because we already used the full coverage foundation. I don't need a full coverage powder on top as well. So, oh no, y'all. Your girl looking kind of snatched here. Like I said, let me know what you guys think down below. I love using affordable makeup because I love showing you guys that you can get amazing looks without breaking the bank. So if there's any other videos that you would like to see from me, make sure you leave that down below as well in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.